Romania. The name itself whispers of mystery. It speaks of ancient forests and towering mountains. Legends are woven into the very fabric of this land. Mysteries linger in its medieval castles. I long to experience its magic, to step back in time and uncover its secrets. Join me, won't you, on a 2-week adventure? We'll journey through Romania's captivating past and vibrant present. Romania's beauty is both rugged and refined. It's a land of contrasts. We'll explore bustling cities like Bucharest with their grand architecture and captivating history. Then we'll venture into the wild heart of the Carpathian Mountains. Picture charming villages nestled in valleys. Imagine ancient castles perched precariously on cliffs. We'll delve into the legend of Dracula, and we'll savor the flavors of Romanian cuisine. Our adventure begins in Bucharest, a city where old-world charm meets modern energy. From there, we'll wind our way through Transylvania. This region is steeped in folklore and blessed with breathtaking landscapes. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Let's uncover the secrets of Romania together. Our trip is more than just an itinerary. It's a tapestry of experiences waiting to be woven. Every day will bring a new adventure. We'll encounter dramatic weather changes. Imagine sunshine giving way to swirling mists. Picture the sun setting over snow-capped peaks. These moments will take your breath away. This Romanian escapade will linger in your memory long after you've returned home. It's a journey for the soul, an exploration of history, and a celebration of the human spirit. Bucharest, the Romanian capital, is a city of contrasts. It pulsates with a vibrant energy, yet whispers tales of its storied past. It's a city where elegant architecture stands alongside reminders of a communist past. Our journey begins in Bucharest's Old Town. This historic heart of the city is a maze of cobblestone streets and hidden courtyards. Each turn reveals a new architectural gem. We'll wander through the grand squares and admire the intricate facades, stop at a sidewalk cafe, enjoy a strong Romanian coffee, soak up the city's unique atmosphere, take in the sights and sounds of Bucharest. It's a feast for the senses. No visit to Bucharest is complete without experiencing its grand boulevards. These wide avenues lined with impressive buildings are a testament to the city's ambition. We'll stroll down Calea Victoriei, Bucharest's most famous boulevard. Here we'll find elegant shops, museums, and historic landmarks. Our final stop in Bucharest takes us to the Palace of the Parliament. This colossal structure is one of the largest buildings in the world. It's a stark reminder of Romania's communist past. We'll take a guided tour, explore its opulent interiors, marvel at its sheer scale. Then, as the sun sets, we'll bid farewell to Bucharest. Our adventure into the heart of Transylvania awaits. Leaving the bustling city behind, we'll journey into the Carpathian Mountains. Our destination is Peleș Castle. This fairy-tale castle seems to spring straight from the pages of a storybook. Nestled amidst forested slopes, Peleș Castle is a masterpiece of German Renaissance architecture. King Carol I of Romania built it as a summer residence in the late 19th century. It's a testament to his vision and the skill of the craftsmen who brought it to life. We'll wander through its lavishly decorated rooms. Imagine the kings and queens who once walked these halls. Our guide will regale us with stories of royal intrigue and courtly life. The castle's collection of art and weaponry is equally impressive. Each piece whispers tales of bygone eras. After exploring the castle's interior, we'll step out into its enchanting gardens. Terraces adorned with statues and fountains overlook the surrounding forests. The air is fresh and crisp. Take a deep breath. Can you smell the scent of pine? The beauty of Peleș Castle and its surroundings will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where history and nature intertwine to create an experience that is both magical and unforgettable. As the day draws to a close, we'll make our way to a cozy guest house in the nearby village of Sinaia. Here we'll enjoy a traditional Romanian dinner. Savor the flavors of hearty stews and grilled meats. The warm hospitality of the locals will make you feel right at home. Section 4. Brașov, Medieval Charm and Mountain Views. Our journey continues to Brașov. This medieval city is one of Transylvania's most captivating destinations. Brașov is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a modern, youthful vibe. We'll spend the day exploring its cobbled streets and soaking up its unique atmosphere. Our first stop is the city's main square, Piața Sfatului. Here, colorful buildings dating back to the 15th and 16th centuries surround the square. It's a lively hub of activity. Street vendors sell their wares. Musicians fill the air with traditional Romanian melodies. No visit to Brașov is complete without a visit to the Black Church. This imposing Gothic church earned its name after a fire in the 17th century blackened its walls. Step inside to admire its impressive collection of Anatolian carpets. These carpets are a testament to Brașov's historic trade links with the East. For a breathtaking panoramic view of the city, we'll take a cable car to the top of Tampa Mountain. From this vantage point, you can see the entire city of Brașov spread out below. The Carpathian Mountains provide a stunning backdrop. As dusk settles over the city, we'll enjoy a delicious dinner at a restaurant in the old town. Try a local specialty like sarmale, cabbage rolls filled with meat and rice, or papanasi, fried dough with sweet cheese and sour cream. Section 5, Bran Castle and Dracula's Shadow. Today we'll venture into the heart of Transylvania. We'll explore the legend of Dracula at Bran Castle. Perched dramatically on a steep cliff, Bran Castle is an iconic image of Transylvania. Its history is shrouded in mystery and intrigue. While there's no evidence that Vlad the Impaler ever lived here, the castle's imposing architecture and dramatic setting have made it synonymous with the Dracula legend. We'll cross the drawbridge and step into the castle's courtyard. Imagine knights and noblemen once walked these grounds. Inside, we'll explore its maze of rooms and passageways, learn about the castle's history, from its medieval origins to its time as a royal residence. The castle's collection of medieval artifacts and furniture brings the past to life, but it's the atmosphere of Bran Castle that is truly captivating. The castle seems to exude a sense of mystery. Perhaps it's the cool, damp air, or the way shadows dance in its corridors. Whatever the reason, Bran Castle is a place where you can let your imagination run wild. As we leave the castle, we'll notice a change in the weather. The sky has grown overcast, a light mist clings to the surrounding hills. It's as if the spirit of Dracula himself has descended upon the landscape. Tonight we'll stay in a charming guest house in the village of Bran. Gather around the fireplace. Listen to tales of vampires and werewolves. These local legends will send shivers down your spine. But don't worry, you're safe with us.